What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an oil change on a roughly a 2010 Toyota Corolla model. So you want to grab a 14-inch socket, as I have here. Go ahead and loosen that up. Make sure it's in the right position. That would help. Alright, loosen that up to the left. And what you're going to need is a oil filter canister like this to loosen that up. Alright, so this is how your setup should look like. And just pull back a little bit and it should come off like just like that. Loosen up a little bit till oil starts coming out of it. Let it drain a little bit, and then you can go ahead and drain your oil as well. You can go ahead and twist off your oil filter right away. These aren't too bad. Just once it gets loose, just be careful. Like, pull it out a little bit and then just take it out. And there you go. Now with these, they have a little rubber gasket that comes off from right here. As you can see, there's a little indent. Take that gasket off, replace it with the new one, and also get your new oil filter and put it in here. Alright, twist everything on by hand as much as you can with the oil filter, and then twist, tighten the oil filter with the oil filter cap, and then obviously tighten your drain plug, and that is it. Make sure you clean it up a little bit, and that is a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next oil change. Peace.